Agay! Say wow. Wow. Where is your wow? Where is your wow? Wow. Show me your hand. Show me your hand. What's in your hand? What's in your hand?
Diamond bedrock.
What's that? What's that?
Diamond bedrock.
It's a...
Labot man nimo din na teleport.
It's a... Wow, you got a red in your hand. It's a lipstick. What are you doing?
It's not a bedrock, but it's just a portal.
Nganong mo ka bangkas bado sa mama? Nakagipataguan? Nakagipataguan sa dide? Ha? Nakagipataguan imo day nang dide? Ako man na.
Kasi sisud ako kaya daw na sisud. Sisud ako. Sisud na teleport daw ko daw. What?
Say down ang feet. Down your feet. Down your feet. No, no. A is for apple. Apple. Very good. B is for ball. Very good. C is for cat. Cat. Say. Cat. Ikaw. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. Ayo ha. D. Yes. E is for egg. Stacy, E is for egg. E. Say. E. Nagigil ko.
Okay, pud makalapos bisang.
Harold! Naunsa naman ang camera nimo? Can you give that phone to me? Can I have it? No. No? Please. Ayuhan, camera dia. Smile ta, mag-smile. Selfie. Imuha day, imong face. Taro nga paggunit. Bala ka. Ay. Ikaw ba yan gold ana? Imo naman ang gizoom og ayo. Di naman ta makita ana. Ala, mahulog. Oh no. Wala ka, di man ka magpabaro. Uy. Mabaro si mama, please.
Famous. Saan pag-spelling na ito? Kalimut ko.
F.